Welcome to KIMI Suite, your all-in-one management suite. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating and applying a label extension to your vehicle listing. Before we begin, make sure that you've already imported your vehicles into the Vehicle Hub. This is essential before adding any extensions to your listing. From the home screen, click on the Vehicle Hub app to get started. Next, click on the Extensions button at the top of the screen. You'll be taken to a screen where all available extensions are displayed. Find the Label Maker card and click the orange Enable button. Now click Configure. And you'll be taken to a page where you can create your custom label. In the Add New Label section, enter the label's title, and choose the text color and background color to design your label. Once you're satisfied with the look of your label, click Save to confirm. To apply the label to your vehicles, click on the Browse Vehicles button. This will take you to a page where you can see all your vehicle listings. To apply a label to a specific vehicle, click on the label icon within the vehicle card and select the label you want to add. To see how the vehicle listing looks with the label, click the tab bar at the bottom of the screen to return to the home page. From the home screen, open the Widget Creator app. Click the Select in the Vehicle Hub listing card, then choose the Elegant style by clicking Select again. In the widget preview, you'll now see the label applied to your vehicle card, adding a distinctive marker to your listing. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied a label to your vehicle listings. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you get the most out of KIMI Suite.